Hello, welcome to Caracol here at the Elephant Lodge. Come in and take a look around. Now, this is our lodgings for the week, and we've never done a safari before, and the first impressions are, wow, this is an incredibly luxurious accommodation. First thing the clock, just look how much space there is around you. It's vast, and there's stacks of space just to exist and put all your stuff, all your belongings. You can live here very, very comfortably for a week. Next thing, take a look up. Look at the ceiling and the roof there of the lodge. Isn't it gorgeous? Absolutely incredible and amazing. Right, now let's talk about what facilities there are here in the lodge. Obviously, we've got a double bed configuration, and it's really, really comfortable too. Loads and loads of cushions and pillows as well, with bedside table units as well. They've given us some kind of blanket, done some kind of blanket animal, looks very pretty. Okay, we've got an air conditioning unit up there with a remote control over there. Now let's talk about the storage. And we've got these massive double wardrobes here with a mirror in the middle here. Look, we've got shelving here, we've got hanging space here. They've even given us a couple of brollies. And since we're here in rainy season, I've got a feeling we're going to be using those sometime this week. Over in this side, we've got more shelving, more hanging space. But we've also got a safe for our passport and all our valuables in there. And we've also got a hairdryer as well. Obviously, I don't need that, but Annette will. Okay, so let's move on now and let's look over the other side of this room. We've got a couple of seats here so we can sit down and chill and enjoy a cup of tea because we've got our own kettle with tea and coffee making facilities. There were biscuits there, but we've scoffed those already. Okay, there is a mini bar here, which is really well stocked with wines and beers and bottles of water. Obviously, that will be chargeable, but hey, that's pretty convenient if you don't want to bother going to the bar. So, now let's talk about the fabulous bathroom, and boy, what a bathroom it is. When you walk in here, it really does have an impact. Okay, so we've got a lovely vanity basin here. They're giving us some hand soaps, they're giving us some conditioner and shower gel and body wash and all that kind of stuff, as well as some tissues. Underneath is some more storage, so you can put your wash kits in here, and there's a spare loo roll as well. The toilet itself has its own air freshener, very, very important. And now check out the shower, and the shower is absolutely vast. It's massive, lovely walk-in shower unit. It's so vast you could have a 5-a-side football tournament in there. What a lovely, lovely bathroom this is. Okay, so we are here for a week. It's our first ever safari. We're really, really excited. And the first impressions of our accommodation for the week are absolutely amazing. Wow. Stay tuned and enjoy our adventures here.
Would you consider doing a safari? Please let us know in the comments below.